Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to another amazing video tutorial. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to use Opay cashback to buy free mobile data. Alright, so let's open up the Opay application, and then as you guys can see, I have gotten to my account, and then you can see my account balance is 50 naira, and then when I click on rewards, you can see my current cashback balance 424. So let's let me show you guys how to use this cashback to buy data. Alright, so when you go back to home, and then here you're gonna see data, click on it. Alright, so when you click on it, you're gonna see a lot of subscription and the plans. You can see 50 MB. So from here you can always add a phone number you want to buy the data for. Alright, so always make sure that the phone number you input as the phone number you want to buy data for is correct. Alright, so after you have confirmed that, here you go to select any type of subscription that you want from here. Alright, so let's click on this 50 MB. Alright, so here you can see product name, that's Glow mobile data, and then cashback to earn. You can still earn cashback even when buying all these stuffs. Okay, then if you want to use your main balance, you can just go ahead and click on pay directly. But if you want to use your cashback to buy this data, just click here, this button from here, click on it. Alright, so now it is gonna be deducting the price from my cashback, not from my main account. As you guys can see from here, it has made my main account as 0.00, while here it has minus 50 naira out of my cashback. So let's click on pay, and then here I'll put the password to my Opay account, and then let's wait for some seconds. Alright, you can see successful. I have already subscribed, and then I'll click on done. Alright, so that is it. This works. So let me tell you guys some of the tips you have to know. So whenever you want to earn more cashback, just come to your rewards, and then daily you can see successfully activated 50 MB. I have gotten a message from Glow, so click on got it to claim that 3 cashback they gave to you when trying to buy the data. Click on it, and then you can see you can still use our cashback for next time. Okay, so always make sure you come to your rewards and then get your cashback daily on the Opay application. Alright, that is what you get as an Opay user for free. So let's minimize, and then let me go to my messages. As you guys can see, here is the message we just got from Glow saying that you have successfully activated 50 naira, which is for 50 MB a day worth. And then the sweetest part about it is that your main balance will not be touched. So let's go back to my home, and then you can see I still have my 15 naira right over here. So that's the benefit of having Opay in your phone. So if this video was useful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends for them to get this nice update. Okay guys, peace out.